Welcome to Magitudes. Let me show you how you can add FAQ schema to WordPress-based websites. It's actually pretty easy. If you're using the new Gutenberg editor, you can easily achieve that by just installing a plugin. So I'm just going here to my Magitudes website, and then here inside of the WordPress dashboard, I'm going to Plugins, Add New. And then you're going to search for Rank Math plugin by My Theme Shop. All you need to do is install this plugin. It's already installed in my case, but if it isn't like in your case, you will just click on Install Now, and then you will activate the plugin. And now when you open up a new post, I'm just going to add some random text here. Now you will see that when you click here on the plus symbol, add block, you can just simply insert schema, and then you will see FAQ by Rank Math. So all you need to do is click on that, and now you can enter your questions and your answers. If you want to add one, just click on Add New FAQ, add. Once you're done, you're gonna save the draft, and when you switch over to the code editor, you will see that the FAQ block here has been perfectly added to your content. And like this, now on Google, for your search results, hopefully they will pick up your FAQ questions and they will be displayed like this here. For that search result, you can have those questions and answers directly under your search result, and that can give you some more exposure in the Google search results, which is obviously which can obviously be a good thing. Now, instead of using Rank Math, another plugin that you can use is actually just going to Plugins, Add New again, is Yoast SEO. Yeah, this plugin here, which is very popular as well. I personally prefer Rank Math, but yeah, they are like pretty similar. Rank Math is a little bit newer and is a little bit more advanced in my opinion. But if you would like to use Yoast SEO, just install that plugin instead, and after that it's the same. You also click just on Add New Block, and from there, instead of choosing the schema from Rank Math, just choose the Yoast SEO FAQ block instead, and then the procedure is going to be the same. If you are still using the old classic editor, there is also a method how you can add those blocks. However, it's a little bit more complicated. Okay, I now just switched to the classic editor for a moment. If you don't have the classic editor, you can just simply add a plugin called Classic Editor, and then you can toggle between the new editor and the old editor. So here, if we have a random post title and then we have some random content, and in the end we would probably like to add an FAQ with some questions and answers. The important thing is, if you are on the in the old editor, and if you would like to add those FAQ schema markups, first of all, you would need to write your FAQs just in your regular text like that. That's usually at the end of your article, I guess. You would just write your FAQs like this, like question, answer. And then when you are done, you're heading over to this website here. I will drop that link in the description of the video. And then what you can do to add schema markup is you can actually copy your questions and answers. You will drop that in here. Then you would obviously take the answer here. You can do that for all your questions and answers, and if you need more blocks, just click here on add another FAQ. Then make sure that you're choosing prettified here instead of minified. Then go to copy FAQ schema. Go back to your post. And then the last step would be that you change here to the text editor. And then make sure to add that schema markup at the very end of your FAQ questions and answers. That's gonna look something like that. That's okay, looks a little bit weird. Just make sure that you will have that FAQ schema here in here, and in the end you will see that code here after the script has been closed. And now when you save the draft and then later publish it, your FAQ questions will also have the schema markup. So this is the best way I found to add schema markup if you actually don't use the new Gutenberg editor. This works pretty well, but yeah, it's not as easy as with the plugin, but if you are still on the old editor, this is the way to go for you to add the schema markup to your articles as far as FAQ schema goes. So that's already it, guys. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, and if you could also hit that notification bell, that would be even better. Have a great day, guys, and see you soon. Bye.